Hello, this is Wellington recipe part 2. Let's start Wellington. Now already 4 hours this stay in the refrigerator, and I'm gonna use second part. I'm gonna start the second part. Sorry. This most important part of this recipe, and we have to make perfect double dough. I'm gonna even this one, and let's see. And I have to cut the butter. This is around 500 gram butter, and I'm gonna use this butter for this recipe. Just like that. This butter is in the refrigerator. It's not in the home temperature. It's like because we have to use hard butter. If not, it's getting melt when you are going to even. So that's like a 300 gram of butter. Cover it and then smash. This is the way it is. Then I need some, a little bit more flour.